Hello, this is Patrick Murphy. I've been teaching the honors 8th grade class for, it's been over 10 years now. It was designed for kids that need a little bit more of a challenge in their life. They like in math and they need a little bit more. I went to University of Michigan. I have a master's. I've been teaching for, 31 years. So we really don't know what the future is right now. If you notice, our numbers of the COVID has gone up. I have a feeling the governor is going to raise us back from a 4 to a 3 or lower us, however you say it. So we don't really know the future. But here's 2 websites you might want to know. Murphy P at divinechildhighschool.org. No spaces in there. That's my email. So if you have any questions, you can email me. And bit.ly/murphmath. No spaces in there either. That's my YouTube channel that I make videos for. So if we have school, you'll come to Divine Child High School, 7:30 to 8:20 on Monday through Thursdays. And right now we're in the APR. I don't know where we'll be. I don't know the future is what I'm trying to say. And Fridays we're out at 8:10 because most schools have church that day. Now Divine Child students will just walk right over to the grade school after we're done. And you can just drop them off and they can walk down to the APR. If we have in school, I will be in the hallway and they will see me. I'm the biggest guy in the hallway. If we don't have school, then I'll probably be making YouTube videos and Zoom where they come into a live. That'll be part of it too. Now, they're telling me they're going to get you guys on Schoology and Power School. Schoology is where you can see the homework and turn things in because you're not supposed to turn in paper products anymore and take your quizzes and tests. And Power School is where you can see their grades. The parents can see them. The grade-wise, we'll have quizzes and tests, whatever you want to call them. They'll be worth points. I do give partial credit. Homework is for the whole quarter. I give 100 points. And it's basically a percent. What homework did you do divided by the number of homeworks I checked. I don't check every one. I just randomly check it. Now, of course, if you're at home, I'll tell you before time I'm going to check it. If we're in class, I'll just start class and say, hey, get it out. I want to look at it. Sometimes I give projects, but at home it's harder to give a project, so I'm not really sure about that yet. If we have class, then, look at this, our book. Now, if we don't have class, I'll probably just do worksheets through Schoology. Now, don't worry, the IT guy will help you set that up. If we do have school, of course, we'll do that during class. We'll tell you how to do it, give you a sheet to talk home. They do not have to bring an iPad with them. In fact, we will not be using it. I'm assuming they'll have some sort of computer device at home. Now, why do you take this class? Well, if you take this class and do well, now well to us is a B. We use the grading scale of the elementary school through the Archdiocese, except for Guardian Lutheran. Guardian Lutheran, I'll just send your principal your percent, then they give them the grade that goes with it. So, but I think the Catholic elementary schools, I believe 93 is an A, if I remember right, and 82 is your lowest B, or 83, something like that. So, we'll use whatever their grading scale is. But if you can get a B or higher, all 4 quarters, through my class. Now, my class is really college algebra and trigonometry. It's what our juniors take that are right below the honors for junior year. Then they take pre-calc. Then freshman year, if you did well in this class, you would go to honors geometry. Sophomore year's honors pre-calculus. And if you still did well, you would have a choice. You could take AP Statistics junior year. That's a college credit course, and many degrees require statistics now. And then you could take AP Calculus senior year, or you could do AP Calculus junior, AP Statistics senior year. I would probably do Statistics junior and Calculus senior, but different kids do it different ways. Then, if you wanted to do both of these junior year, oh, that sounds like fun, doesn't it? They are so different that you could do both in the same year. You could go to U of M for Calc 2 and then Calc 3 for second semester. Now, the only thing with going to U of M, that would disrupt your sports, I would assume. Now, we had Calc 2, but only 5 or 6 kids are taking it every year, and it's hard to have a class. So I cannot talk about Calc 2 in the future, but personally, to take AP Statistics a junior and an AP Calculus senior, if you got credit for both, oh my God, that's 6 to 8 credits of math. Now, some kids, oh my goodness, they're so excited because they're ahead of the game. Some kids will say, hey, I want to do this so I don't have to take any math in college. Hey, I'm in good shape. Now, some kids get a job, some kids start dating, and then they'll kind of slow down in here and decide honors is not their program. But they have that opportunity. That's what I always tell kids. Hey, we're giving you that choice. So I think that's pretty much what I wanted to talk about. Then I'm hearing that we're going to have a Zoom session with you guys in a couple weeks to kind of talk about this again. So my address, murphyp@divinechildhighschool.org, no spacing. And then my YouTube channel, bit.ly/murphmath, is where I make the videos. So if you want to write that down, I'm sure I'll say it again. Again, I do not know anything that's going on in the future. If you would have asked me 3 weeks ago, I'd have said we're probably going to be in school. But with the COVID hitting again, honestly, I don't know. And I don't even think, they're making all sorts of contingencies right now. So they have all different ways it can happen. They're just not sure what's going to happen. So that's what I know right now. Anyway, would not surprise me. So anyways, have a good deal. For the class, you'll need a notebook and pencils. You're not supposed to share them because of the COVID, and a cheap calculator. If it's got trig on it, we're okay. So, for example, this has trig sin. Now, don't worry, we can pray the sin away, so we can use it for a little while for math. Then we got cos and tan. Ooh, I could use a tan. But logs, that's second semester. Really what we do is first semester we go through all of algebra and we hit some Alg 2 topics. So I move faster than I do second semester, which is Alg 2 and trig topics. So I slow down because that should be the harder stuff. Okay, well, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.